Yeah, sanibonani. Anzange ngachukuke today. Kodwa, let me just get straight to the point. Eyenza ukuthi ngenze le video. Over the past, I think it's been a month or over the past weeks, bengiye ngibuke ivideo kaGugu Dlamini that is circulating on here on TikTok and I think on Facebook as well, where everyone is fighting for justice kaGugu. Ekhuluma ngecala lokuthi he is being accused of ukuthi wa rape innis yakhe. Okay, fine. Nami, when I first saw the video, like nje nganginento yokuthi nje, oh well, oh this guy, like nje it's not fair. Ngiqala nje kumbona ngingakezwa side lamuntu, and I didn't think of any side. Kodwa nje ngamzwela nje ukuthi nje how uyazi ngempela kuyenzeka that people are falsely accused bagcina sebe emajele. Okay, up until yesterday, I chose not to say anything about this. I don't know why, but nje ngithi oh okay, uZulu uyahlangana, and you know, up until yesterday night, I came across a video again of a girl of leya ntombazane leya eyenza ukuthi uGugu abesejele. Yo, my heart was broken into pieces when leya ntombazane ikhuluma ngeside layo ukuthi I wonder why umalume manje esephika ukuthi wakwenza lokho, because when he was confronted wavuma ukuthi yes, I did this, but right now he shows no remorse and he's saying akazange sakwenza. Okay, there's two sides vele of the story, and us as a nation, including myself as well, we had bought iside lo muntu oyedwa, of which uGugu. Cause mawubuka that guy, like nje he seems like a sweet innocent guy who was really charged for something that he didn't do, and everybody was on the sail or was on the boat of trying to help with situation, bantu bemhambisela ukudla and so on and so on. But not once have I ever heard anyone saying ukuthi, but there's two sides of the story. Can we not hear the other side? There was another video of uMakhelwane who was also accusing the mother of umntwana. Oti, this lady has always been jealous of this guy. Uzumbophise Paul for something that he didn't do. This lady was so sure that this guy didn't do this. So yesterday when I was browsing on TikTok, then I came across the video again of this lady now, umama nendodakazi, now talking about this. Now this girl is saying, umalume kuyaziwa ke vele ukuthi bengilala naye. Enye into nje, us as women, as ladies, ukuthi ingane yakho mayihambile yayohlala ekhaya, ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ikini uyabathemba ngenhliziyo yakho nakho konke kwakho, but let's protect ingane zethu zamantombazane. You must know ukuthi kwenzakalani, like fanele wazi ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, that was wrong nje to begin with ukuthi umntwana wentombazane ulala nomalume. Why lale nomalume? Like why? Okay, fine. Akuchazeke lo akuchaza ukuthi umalume benze njani enze njani. It was explicit. Intombazane isho njoba kunjalo. Angeke ngikusho kule video because I'm respecting the young people abala kwi page lami and my learners as well. But into engifuna ukisho ukuthi there's always two sides of the story. Of any story there's always two sides. So abanye ngiyababona kuma video on the comments saying we don't believe her. Like, why are you believing him and not believing her? Why is that? And also kuyo yonke lento angizwa kukhulunywa ngokuthi, like as a mom, when your daughter child reports such to you, you'd want to check them, like lie down, let me see, let me see. A mom would want to see. Ngomama banjani lo uthi ngareportela uma owaqala ngogogo, ugogo disputed everything ukuthi nje no akwazi. We've heard those stories very in the past. Ukuthi gogo bafuna ukufihla amahlazo. All right, siyafika kumama ke uyasho kwakunomcimbi, then mom came for umcimbi. Mase fika umama emcimbini usiyamxoxela ke ngalesi senzo lesi sikaMalume. Akuswazi, I'm shy. Already I'm dealing with a pain that is greater than uswazi. Ngiyakuripotela. Uqala ngokungishaya. Okay. Uyamshaya ke ngoba efuna ukuba nesiqiniseko ukuthi lento ayishoyo iqiniso. I would believe my child first half, because you will not fabricate that for what? Uzotholani? Okay. Naye futhi umama mechaza isitori sakhe noma ingane mechaza isitori sikama akukho la ethi khona uma wathi let me see child, let me see. Fana uthi ingane mayithi limele ngilimele la. Woza ngibona, it's not bad. Come uzophela. Umama wenze njalo. Lo mama ufaka uswazi kanti I don't understand. Okay, sesilana ke kuthenini uqala ngokuthi futhi sesiside yebo uMalume isikhathi esejele. Mhlambe sekuyisikhathi futhi sokuthi aphume. Kodwa kungiphatha kabi ukuthi uMalume njengamanje useyaphika. Uyaphika uMalume. I don't know, like I want us to look at this issue. Sifakele ibuko. Singathatha ama sides. Singakawezwa wonke ama sides. Sesijudge, sesikhipile judgment yokuthi no, this one is falsely accused. Or no, this one is wrong. Or yes, I believe the girl. Or I believe Ukuku. Ukuku didn't say much. He just said, okay, so I mean, I'm in for a rape. So do you have any remorse? No, I don't, because I didn't do what they said I did. IsiZulu sithi iqala umphiko. Iqala umphiko. Uphiko unoshukela la emlomeni. Uthi ngoze ngumntshontsho ushukela ubonakala la. That's all. Just give it some thought. This is how I've been looking at it. How have you been looking at it? Based. How have you been looking at it?